I will make today sara, yung ipiprito ko ba, because this is already expand with flour, yung minasahe ko before yesterday. Kasi kahapon nagluto ako ng rice, so bali rice yung kinain namin. So may extra ako na minasahe na harina, yung pang chapati ba or parathas. So this is not good already for chapatis or parathas. So I'm going to make this one sara. They call it here sara, yung ipiprito. So watch nyo na lang kung paano ako gumawa nito. It's like also you are making chapatis or paratha, but this is not already good for chapati or paratha. So I will make this one sara. They call it sara, yung prito ba na ipiprito nito. I will make all roll. So, para isahan lang yung pagprito. So, ito na lahat yung aking na-roll. 9 pieces na 9 pieces. And then, ito naman yung isang design na hinati ko 4 pieces. So, gawin natin dito ay lagyan natin ng design. Ganyan sa tinidor. This is optional. If you don't like to use like this, then you can use only, you can fry like this. But must be you have to use this one so that yung oil ba, madaling tumulo yung oil. So I already making hot hair oil in pan, ang kawali. So let's start to fry now because oil is already hot. Yeah. So ito, 4 na yung aking naprito. So, ito pang 5. Ayan. Sunod natin ito. Ay, ito muna. Para ano. Ayan. Dumikit na. Ayan. Ito na lahat yung aking prinito na expand wet flour, and they call it here sarah. Yan. These are all I fried chapatis or tortillas or kubos. This is expand wet flour. And you can eat this one with tea or coffee.